Hello guys, today Redmi India has launched its Redmi Note 10s in India. In this video we will talk about its specification, and in the last we will get to know that should we buy this or not. According to the company, the Redmi Note 10s, the S stands for slim, stylish and sleek. On your screen you can see its color variants and its evolved designing. What are your thoughts of designing? You can tell me in the comment section. It is available in the three colors: deep sea blue, shadow black and frost white. Which is your favorite? You can tell me in the comment section. Now beginning with camera specification, Redmi Note 10 is here to disrupt the market. Powered with a quad camera setup, 64 megapixel primary camera and the second highest resolution in mobile photography, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera has 118° for expensive captures. The 2 megapixel macro camera is with 2x zoom for enhanced detail and clarity. And the 2 megapixel depth sensor is for precise focusing. The camera of Redmi Note 10s is loaded with modes like Pro Time Lapse, Skyscaping, Pro Color, Color Focus, Night Mode, and it also has 13 megapixel front camera with 3.5 mm in-display punch hole for perfect selfies. Now talking about the display, then Redmi Note 10s is have immersive experience with its 16.33 Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display or 6.43 inch Super AMOLED display. It has 1100 nits peak brightness, HDR certified low blue light, 360-degree ambient light sensor and more. It gives the best in-town experience in today's world of screen with 100% DCI-P3 for a wider, vibrant color gamut and the 45 flag ratio, 1 contrast ratio that easy on the eyes and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Now here is a quick summary of the display. Now talking about multimedia specification, then it has high resolution audio, certified dual stereo speaker and auto cleaning speakers. Now talking about the processor, then it has MediaTek G95 processor, which is crafted with ARM Cortex A55 plus A76 CPU paired with the ARM MALI G76 GPU to give you a savage performance and the smoothest frame rate possible. Now talking about its RAM, then it has LPDDR4X RAM and it has UFS 2.2 internal storage. Now here is a quick review. Now talking about the features, then it has wideband L1 Sport, Z-axis vibration motor, multi-layer graphite shield, audio jack and IR blaster. Also it features rubberized seals. Now talking about the battery, then it comes with a 5000 mAh battery that gives up to 680 hours, that is 28 days of standby, 188 hours of music and 77 hours of music with speakers. It comes with 33-watt fast charging support that can charge 54% in 30 minutes and 100% in 78 minutes. Redmi Note 10s is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, but it is not mentioned whether it is Corning Gorilla Glass 4 or 5. Now let us again see its color variant. Now here is a quick summary of Redmi Note 10s. It comes with 64 megapixel quad camera array, MediaTek Helio G95 with hyper engine gaming technology, 5000 mAh high capacity battery, 33-watt fast charging, 6.43 Super AMOLED display and MIUI 12.5. Now talking about its price, then it comes for 14,999 for 6 plus 46GB variant and 15,999 for 6 plus 128GB variant. What are your take on its price? You can tell me in the comment section. Now talking about its review, then it has a good battery, good fast charging and a good processor. But it has 60Hz refresh rate, that is I think very low. The Redmi India has packed very good specification to Redmi Note 10s, but they should even push it higher by adding 90Hz refresh rate display. Also it has MIUI 12.5, that is a new UI that is supposed to be lag free, but you also know that MIUI always come with the ads and all of bloatware, so there are two minus points for this phone. What are your thoughts? You can tell me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like the video and share with your all friends and subscribe the channel for all latest updates.